I used an AI agent today to help me save a ton of time. My family of 3 kids and my husband and I travel a lot for work, for youth sports, visiting family, and I am our chief travel agent. That means that I spend a lot of time with American Airlines, JetBlue, and Delta on their websites. I'll make a reservation and I'll get an email confirmation. We're all familiar with that process. Well, because we travel so much, I like to store that information someplace. I don't want to go searching through my emails all the time. So I use Notion, but some people use Evernote or Notes. People have different systems, maybe even Google Docs or Google Sheets, who knows? But so for me, I spend a lot of time taking those email confirmations, putting in the pertinent information into Notion so that I can refer back to it later. So what I did was I used an agentic workflow to simplify that process for me so I don't have to do that anymore. This is the overview. It starts with a Gmail trigger into my inbox because that's where we get all of those confirmation codes. The AI agent that I've trained picks up the information that it needs, and then it feeds it into my Notion database where I keep all of our travel plans. So let's see this working. Right, so JetBlue confirmation code for Mark Zubko, that's my husband, and JetBlue booking confirmation. Fabulous. So it's come in through my Gmail. The switch right now is pretty simple, and I think I could improve it significantly, but it's basically saying, look for emails from JetBlue or an email from this trip confirmation, which is American Airlines subject headings after you make a booking, and then this one is Delta. So it basically is just saying, I want all emails with those 3 subject headings going into this AI agent and ignore anything else. Then the AI agent will take those emails and hopefully see one from JetBlue. It does, great. And I've told it to just look for information there. And then this is where it gets really cool. So I have never used XML or JSON before yesterday. And I have been working on learning and practicing that over the last few days. And so this is where my XML comes in with the instructions to the agent. And I sent it some examples of some flights, in this case, American Airlines, and then also used even more complicated coding that I didn't know, again, before yesterday, which is JSON. So here's the information. And then this is the information I wanted to pull out from all of that. So this is a key value pair using an object from JSON, all new vocabulary for me as of yesterday. And you can see the airline, the confirmation code, some of the information that I'm interested in gathering for my Notion database. So in fact, it's pulled out that information in the structure of the JSON that I asked for, the departing airport, landing airport, the date of travel, and the airline. And so thank you very much, AI agent. And then into Notion, which is where the magic happens, I've asked it to title the page within Notion so it's easy for me to follow with the airline and then where are we going, what airport are we going to. And then other properties I capture in my table are the airline, the confirmation code, really important for any changes that I need to make or even checking in, the date of travel, and the landing airport. So let's see if it pulls that information through to load into Notion. It did. It got the name Flying JetBlue to SRQ, which is the code for Sarasota, and a bunch of other information, some of which I did not actually request. And so then let's see if it has pulled it in. And indeed, it has into my Notion account. You can see this right here, SRQ, JetBlue, Sarasota, and even the confirmation code BIQWPV. BIQWPV is matching. It saved me so much time. I hope this helps.